Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a wine shop. First, you'll need to thoroughly research local regulations and secure all necessary licenses for selling alcohol. This is a critical initial step to ensure legal compliance. Next, craft a comprehensive business plan outlining your startup expenses, operational costs, and revenue projections. Finally, define your ideal customer and what makes your wine shop stand out from competitors. This foundational work sets the stage for a successful venture. Choosing the right location is paramount for a wine shop's success. Look for areas with high foot traffic and excellent visibility to attract customers. Once you have a spot, design an inviting and functional store layout that guides customers through your selection. Then, focus on curating a diverse and high-quality wine inventory. Offer a range of options, from affordable everyday wines to premium selections, to cater to different preferences and price points. With your shop set up, it's time to focus on marketing and operations. Develop compelling marketing strategies, both online and offline, to attract your target customers. Building strong relationships with reliable wine distributors and suppliers is crucial for maintaining a consistent and quality inventory. Additionally, establish efficient operational procedures for everything from inventory tracking to point-of-sale systems, ensuring smooth daily business and excellent customer service. To ensure long-term success, continuously analyze your sales data to understand customer preferences and adjust your inventory and promotions accordingly. Look for opportunities to host engaging events, such as wine tastings or pairing workshops, to build community and attract new patrons. Remember, financial wisdom is key to sustained growth. For those looking to deepen their understanding of personal finance, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other valuable deals. Keep innovating and adapting to thrive in the market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.